Hello students of class 7. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, formula and function in MS Excel. Okay, so this is a very important lesson from the practical point of view. So your practical exam will be based on this lesson only, uh, on MS Excel, that is, and lesson number 5 also. So here in MS Excel, first of all we are going to learn about the window of MS Excel. What are the parts of MS Excel? That is the introduction, and how we are going to start MS Excel. So before I start MS Excel, I'd like to say that the purpose or the use of MS Excel, when we are going to use MS Excel and for what purpose. So MS Excel is basically is a spreadsheet program. It is a spreadsheet program designed for calculation. You can do mathematical calculations like doing addition, doing subtraction, calculating percentage, division, etc. Any type of mathematical work involving mathematical work, you have to use MS Excel. So let us start by opening MS Excel, how you can open MS Excel, and then we'll see the parts of MS Excel. So when you have to click the start button, then you have to go to all programs, and then you will find after scrolling down you get Microsoft Office. You click on it, so list of program is displayed, access, and then this one is MS Excel. So click on MS Excel. MS Excel screen opens up on the computer monitor. So as you can see in page number 39 of your book, the parts of MS Excel. First, see the top parts like the office button, title bar, then you have the control buttons. So here you have the office button. This is the title bar where the name of the application and the file name is displayed on top. And then you have the control button like close button, restore button, then minimize button. Okay, and then you have also the quick access toolbar. So this is the quick access toolbar. Okay, this one you see the save button here, undo redo button. So it is there in the save in the quick access toolbar. After that, if you see your book, you'll see some important boxes here. Like here, this is the name box where A1 is displayed, the name box. So this one is the name box. So if you click on a cell, the corresponding address, that is the column and the row number, is displayed together in the name box. Then you have the formula bar. This one is the formula bar. It is called the FX bar given in your book. Okay, so formula bar. So what does formula bar do? Whatever you write here appears in the formula bar. Okay, and then you press enter. So it is saved in the cell. Then you'll see the columns and the rows. These are the columns, A column, B column, C column. These are the columns. So you'll get many columns here. Okay, if you go move on, A, after Z comes A, B, like this. Okay, so you can scroll like this. And then you have the rows, 1, 2, 3, these are numbered. You can go down, get the rows. Okay, so many rows are there. So after that comes the active cell. So what is active cell? This one is active cell. So if you see here, the dark boundary around a cell is called the active cell. So whenever you click here, suppose you click here in this cell, it becomes active. So you can write only in the active cell. You cannot write in other cells. Suppose if I write here, so I am writing only in the active cell. You cannot write on the cell which is not active. Okay, so then after that you'll see some sheet tabs which are called worksheets. Here at the bottom, sheet 1. Now I am writing in sheet 1. you have sheet 2, sheet 3. You can add new sheet also by clicking this button. So new sheet, sheet number 4 appears. Okay, and after that you'll see two scroll bars here. One is the horizontal scroll bar and one is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, then you have some buttons here like view shortcut buttons. Here some buttons are given here. If you click on it, different kinds of view will appear. Okay, and you have the zoom button also. You can zoom in and out. Okay, so these are basically some parts of the uh, this MS Excel window. And also you have the status bar here at the bottom where it is showing you ready. This one is the status bar. Okay, so when you write, it is showing enter. So when you press enter, it gets saved in the cell. So this is a MS Excel window. And in the next part, we'll see from operators in page number 40.